The lever-action rifle is the most iconic firearm design in American history. Trace it back to 1837, and you are looking at the rifle that literally won the West, carried by frontiersmen, settlers, lawmen, and outlaws across terrain that tested both the man and the machine. No rifle platform before or since has earned that kind of place in the American story. But here's what most people miss. Lever actions are not just history. The best ones on the market right now are legitimate hunting tools, capable home defense options, and flat out some of the most enjoyable rifles you will ever put your hands on. Today, we are counting down the 4 best lever action rifles on the market, from the strong entry-level classic all the way to the one that might be the most versatile lever gun ever built. Stay until the end, because the rifle at number 1 does something no other lever action on this list comes close to matching. What's going on, everyone? Andrew here. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that button so you don't miss the next one. Also, you can join our channel membership for early access, member-only videos, and advanced breakdowns you won't find anywhere else. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Firearms require safe handling, proper training, and compliance with all federal, state, and local laws. Always verify current regulations before purchasing or carrying any firearm. Now, lever actions, nearly 2 centuries old and still one of the most versatile rifle platforms out there, from mild pistol calibers to hard-hitting magnums, plinking to deer, hog, and bear, smooth cycling, fast follow-ups, classic lines. In 2026, they still earn their spot. We narrowed it down to 4. Let's count them down. Rank number 4, Winchester model 1866, Yellow Boy, where the American lever action story begins. The Winchester model 1866, known in shooter circles as the Yellow Boy, is where the American lever action story really begins. When Oliver Winchester took the original Henry rifle in 1866 and added a receiver-mounted loading gate and a proper forend to protect the shooter's hand from barrel heat, he changed the firearms world permanently. No more muzzle loading, no more single shots. You had a full tube of ammunition ready to go, and the fastest cycling, repeating rifle in the world, and every shooter who laid eyes on it wanted one. The Yellow Boy earns its nickname from the brass receiver that gives it a distinctive gold-toned appearance, a receiver that is both genuinely beautiful and structurally strong. Today's production version is chambered in .38 Special, which hits the sweet spot for this platform. Ballistics out of a rifle-length barrel are meaningfully better than what you get from a handgun, and the ammunition is inexpensive, widely available, and easy to shoot all afternoon without punishing your shoulder. It is a round that fits the rifle's character, perfectly approachable, fun, and capable enough for small game and plinking at any reasonable distance. This is a rifle for the shooter who wants the full historical experience, the look, the feel, the engineering without a complicated modern platform standing between them and the roots of American firearms culture. It is true to its original design in every meaningful way, which is simultaneously the Yellow Boy's greatest strength and its natural limitation. There are no tactical accessories, no optics mounting, no modern refinements layered on top. What you get is exactly what shooters wanted in 1866, built to that same standard, and that purity is precisely what makes it worth owning. If you want to start your lever action journey with a rifle that feels genuinely historic and puts a grin on your face every single time you cycle that action, this is exactly where to start. The Yellow Boy does not try to be anything other than what it is, and for a platform with this much history behind it, that confidence is earned. Rank number 3, Browning BLR, the lever action that broke the rules. The Browning BLR is what happens when a manufacturer looks at the lever action platform and asks what it could become with serious modern engineering behind it. The answer is the most capable and versatile lever gun available, one that opens doors the traditional tubular magazine designs simply cannot. The key distinction is the detachable box magazine. Traditional lever action rifles use tubular magazines running under the barrel, which require flat or round nose bullets for safe feeding the bullet of the cartridge in front, cannot rest its point against the primer of the cartridge behind it without creating a dangerous situation under recoil. That constraint cuts off access to the full range of modern pointed Spitzer bullets, the high-performance hunting ammunition that dominates contemporary ballistics. The BLR's detachable box magazine eliminates that problem completely. Pointed bullets load and feed reliably, which means you can run this platform with modern high BC hunting cartridges at their full potential at velocities and trajectories a tubular lever gun cannot match. Beyond the magazine, The BLR delivers across every technical metric. The rack and pinion lever mechanism produces an exceptionally smooth cycling action that experienced lever gun shooters notice immediately. The bolt locks into a barrel extension with a rotary bolt head, the same proven system used on Browning's BAR semi-automatic rifles, providing the lockup strength needed to safely handle modern high-pressure cartridges. The aluminum alloy receiver keeps weight manageable. The hammer features a fold-down safety design for carry and transport. And for hunters who fly into remote locations or need to break a rifle down for tight packing, Browning offers the BLR in a takedown configuration that comes apart and goes back together quickly without tools. The BLR is the bridge between lever action tradition and modern hunting performance. If your cartridge of choice needs pointed bullets, this is the only lever gun that delivers. The BLR is the lever action for the shooter who wants the platform's classic feel and fast follow-up shots combined with the cartridge flexibility of a modern bolt gun. It is the most capable all-around option on this list for the hunter who refuses to compromise on ammunition. Rank number 2, Henry Sidegate lever action 3855, the traditional lever gun Henry should have built years ago. Henry Repeating Arms built its reputation on the tube-fed lever action, a design with deep American roots and a loyal following built over decades. Then the company listened to what its customers had been asking for and did something significant. They built their very first side-loading gate rifle, and they built it better than anyone expected. The side-loading gate is not a minor feature update for traditional Henry owners. It changes the entire relationship between the shooter and the rifle in the field. Henry's original tube-fed design loads from the front of the magazine tube, functional and genuinely safe, but slower in a hunting situation than a gate-fed system. The side gate lets you top off the magazine through the receiver-mounted port without fully unloading the tube, matching the fast reloading process that made Winchester and Marlin lever guns so popular with hunters and cowboy action shooters across the country. It is the feature Henry owners had been requesting for years, and the company delivered it without compromising any of the things that made their rifles worth owning in the first place. The brass receiver is structurally strong as steel, despite its appearance carries over from Henry's proven lineup. The receiver is drilled and tapped for optics mounting, a practical addition that the original tube-fed Henry designs lacked. The 3855 chambering is a deliberate nod to cowboy action shooting, an 1876 cartridge that nearly disappeared by the mid-20th century and has come back strong through that community's enthusiasm for authentic period firearms. The 20-inch blued barrel, American walnut stock with tight laser checkering, brass butt plate with sling swivel, and ivory bead front sight give this rifle a presentation that matches its heritage without feeling like a costume. The hammer slide transfer bar safety, combined with the retained option to load through the front tube, makes it one of the safest side gate lever actions on the market. The Henry side gate is the rifle for the shooter who wants the full heritage experience with the loading convenience the format always should have had, built with the mechanical thoughtfulness Henry has always brought to its designs. Rank number 1, Henry VI Model 44 Magnum, the most versatile lever gun ever built. The Henry X model, chambered in 44 Magnum, sits at the top of this list because it does something no other lever action in this countdown manages as cleanly. It performs in two completely different roles without compromising either one. Start with the hunting application. The 44 Magnum out of a rifle-length barrel is a substantially different proposition than the same cartridge from a handgun. Velocity climbs significantly. Terminal energy improves at ranges inside 100 yards. Timber hunting, tree stand setups, ground blinds, it hits with authority that puts deer, hogs, and black bear solidly within range. The Henry X model is compact and short, shouldering easily in tight spaces where a longer rifle creates problems. Moving through dense timber, climbing into a stand, shifting position in a cramped ground blind, the X model handles all of it without the length fighting you every step of the way. The fiber optic sights are a standout feature specifically for hunting applications. In the low light window at dusk and dawn, the period when deer are most active and ethical shot placement matters most standard, iron sights lose their definition rapidly. Fiber optic sights gather available light, and stay visible in conditions where a brass bead or black post disappears completely. For hunters who deal with vision challenges in low light or simply want every advantage at the moment of truth, fiber optics are not a convenience feature. They are the feature that makes the difference between a clean shot and a past shot. The synthetic stock completes the hunting package. It handles weather, hard use, and the inevitable contact with brush, bark, and wet ground without requiring the care a walnut stock demands. No worrying about finished damage on a hard-use hunting rifle. The Picatinny rail on the forearm adds mounting flexibility, a light, a foregrip, or any accessory that fits the mission. And that mission flexibility is the X model's defining characteristic. The same rifle that serves as your close-range deer gun through the hunting season can come home, take on a weapon light, and function as a serious home defense option. The 44 Magnum's stopping power is not in question. The compact size is manageable inside a home. The side gate loads quickly under pressure. The lever cycles fast and reliably. It is genuinely two capable tools built into a single platform, and that dual purpose capability is something no other rifle on this list can match at this price point. One rifle, two completely capable roles. Deer stand in October, home defense in November. That is the Henry the X model's case for number one, and it holds up under real-world conditions. No other lever action counted down today crosses that many practical lines without giving anything meaningful up. That is why it sits at number one. Thanks for watching.